Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin using Coinbase. Coinbase is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and store digital currencies like Bitcoin. To get started, you will need to create a Coinbase account. Go to the Coinbase website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your name, email address, and password to create an account. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your email address. Coinbase will send you an email with a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Next, you will need to add a payment method to your account. Coinbase accepts various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the instructions to link it to your account. After you have added a payment method, you will need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to prevent money laundering and other illicit activities. You will need to provide some personal documents, such as a driver's license or passport, to verify your identity. Once your identity is verified, you can start buying Bitcoin. To buy Bitcoin, log into your Coinbase account and click on the Buy button. Select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to buy and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can buy Bitcoin using your local currency, and the exchange rate will be displayed on the screen. Review the transaction details and confirm the purchase. Once you have confirmed the purchase, the Bitcoin will be added to your Coinbase wallet. You can store your Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet or transfer it to an external wallet. It is recommended to use a hardware wallet for maximum security. Coinbase also offers a mobile app that allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin on the go. When buying Bitcoin, it is essential to consider the fees associated with the transaction. Coinbase charges a fee for each transaction, and the fee amount will depend on the payment method and the amount of Bitcoin you are buying. It is also important to keep in mind that the price of Bitcoin can be volatile. So it is crucial to do your research and understand the market before making a purchase. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin using Coinbase is a straightforward process. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can securely and easily buy Bitcoin using Coinbase. Remember to always do your research, consider the fees, and use a secure wallet to store your Bitcoin.